Some of you don't know that you can still gain admission even if you scored low in your JAMB. This is a secret that many people don't know. And in this video, let me guide you on the universities that accept very low JAMB score and how you can get to them. I'll just tell you those universities, their cutoff mark, their location, and how you can begin to approach it. Let me start from number one. I need you to pay rapt attention. So as you are worried about maybe not scoring up to 200 in your JAMB, there is a solution so that you know whether you will do just change of institution, change of course immediately. Okay, the first of them, there are many, but I'm going to give you the top 10. Number one is Federal University, Birnin, Kebbi, FUBK, Federal University, Birnin, Kebbi, Federal University of Birnin, Kebbi. Okay, now what is their cutoff mark? Their cutoff mark is 140. Their cutoff mark is 140. The school is known for its flexible admission policy, so they are not so strict like UNN, ABU, UNIZIK, and all the rest. They are not as strict as the other one, making it great choice for students with low JAMB score. If your JAMB score is not so high, you can choose. Look at this, Birnin Kebbi University. It has modern facilities and a growing academic reputation. If you are looking for a federal university that won't demand extremely high cutoff mark, FUBK is worth considering. Just note it, oh. Just note it. The name of the university, like I told you, is Federal University Birnin Kebbi. Federal University Birnin Kebbi. Yes, my oga just corrected me. Okay, the second one is Federal University Dutse. Federal University Dutse. These are the schools you can go with your very low cutoff mark instead of waiting to write JAMB next year. You can also just do change of course, enter that university, then next year you stay in that university while writing a second JAMB. Okay, now look at this, Federal University Dutse. This school is located in Jigawa State. Federal University Dutse is another federal university, federal, that admits students with JAMB scores as low as 140. I hope you are paying attention. You can be noting these things down, and any of them you choose. You can also comment, drop in the comment, tell me the course you want to go for and the JAMB score you got, so that I can guide you properly if you're a member of our channel. The university offers programs in fields like computing, economics, and biology and all the rest. Okay. The next school that could interest you is Kebbi State University. Kebbi State University of Science and Technology, KSUSTA. Kebbi, all these states in the predominant northern region accepts very low JAMB cutoff mark, and it could be where you could choose to start from. Kebbi State University of Science and Technology, 140. Okay, this is the school. Very nice, in the north. Kebbi State University of Science and Technology specializes in science, just like OSUSTECH in Enugu State, but this one is in the north. They specialize in science and technology programs, making it ideal for students interested in engineering. You want to do engineering? Me, I did computer engineering, right? I also encourage you, if you love to do engineering, just indicate in the comment section. For students interested in engineering, computer science, and agriculture, despite being a state university, it has a relatively low cutoff mark compared to other tech-focused schools. If you have a compulsion for STEM, but a low JAMB score, so Kebbi State University of Science and Technology is a solid option that you can also opt for. I'm giving you 10. Number 4 is Sokoto State University, SSU. The cutoff mark is also low, just 140. So if you do not score so high, maybe you are not among those that got 280, 300 in JAMB, you can settle for Sokoto State University. With 140, you will get admission. SSU is a state, you can see the school here. Very nice, in the north. SSU is a state-owned university that offers a variety of courses in arts, social sciences, and education. If you want to do engineering, don't go to that school, right? It's basically arts, social sciences, and education. If you are looking for medicine, of course, you shouldn't be looking at that particular university. The school is known for its flexible admission process, often accepting students with JAMB score as low as 140. With your 140, you will enter school. It is a good choice for those who prefer less competitive. It's not as competitive as UNN and the other institutions. Okay. Now the next is Taraba State University. Taraba State is also accepting 140. Taraba State is also accepting 140. So Taraba State University, Jalingo. So it's located in Jalingo. It's another state university that accommodates students with low JAMB scores. It offers programs like education, humanities, natural sciences. The school is relatively affordable and provides a conducive learning environment. Even though it has a low JAMB score, it also is also affordable. It's not as expensive as some other universities because it's in the north. Now, the sixth university I recommend for you is Adamawa State University, AXU. They also accept very low. They don't need you to get as high as 200. With your 140, they can consider you. Okay, you can see the school here. Situated in Mubi. Of course, we may have porous security issues there. Okay, but the JAMB score is not so high. AXU, situated in Mubi, is known for its flexible admission policies, particularly in arts and social science courses. The university accepts JAMB scores from 140 upwards, depending on the program. There are some programs that they may look at 180, 200, but basic programs, they will take 140. It's a good backup for students who didn't meet up for the cutoff mark. I hope you are following. I hope this video is helpful to you, okay? Bauchi State University is another very wonderful option that you can see that all of them are predominantly in the north that you might want to consider. Okay. So Bauchi is a growing state university with faculties in sciences, art, and management. Any one of them that you want me to guide you more, you want to get more guidance, just let me know. It admits students with JAMB scores as low as 140, making it accessible for many candidates. The school is investing in infrastructure and staff development. So Bauchi State University is one you might want to consider. Then we have OSUSTECH. OSUSTECH is one Nigerian leading state-owned university offering courses in engineering, environmental sciences, and agriculture. Despite its focus on science and technology, it maintains a relatively low JAMB cutoff mark, 150. It takes 150. Okay. The school emphasizes innovation, entrepreneurship, preparing students for real-world challenges. Okay. Then we have Plateau. Plateau's cutoff mark is 160. 160. Plateau is located in Bauchi. Offers a range of programs in sciences. At any of them that you want me to guide you more, just ask me in the comment section. Okay. The university accepts JAMB score from 140 depending on the course. From 140 and above, you can enter Plateau. It is in Plateau State University. It is located in Bauchi. Okay. The 10th type of university is private universities. Most private universities don't demand very high cutoff mark. Of course, some of them are new, so they are looking for more people. The only downside is it could be much more expensive, but of course in such universities you don't have to worry about things like strike action and all the rest. So private universities like Bells, Covenant University, Iminedon University, Madoka University here in Enugu, there are quite a lot of them in the Landmark University. There are many of them based in Idahosa University. There's quite a lot of them that you might want to consider. Some are very, very expensive. Some are also not as expensive as others. Now, what should you do with this information? 1. Check the official school website. If you are considering any of them, just go to Google, type the name of the school, their website will come on, and you check all the info. So you can check their current cutoff mark. Consider supplementary form. Some schools admit students through direct entry or JMB if JAMB scores are low. Don't give up. Please, all of you that are members of this YouTube channel, if you are not a member, please become a member. Click on join so that you can become a member. Just click on join our YouTube channel, and I will start guiding you. So if your JAMB didn't go as you planned it, I've just given you the alternative. So go ahead, join our YouTube channel, then like this video, click on like this video, share this video, and comment. Click on like, share this video, share it here on YouTube, copy the link, share on WhatsApp, share on all platforms. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you subscribe, come under the comment of this video and tell me you have subscribed. You have your questions, feel free to ask me now. There's an important video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch now.